Hi, this is Mary again with some of my scrapbooking. This is actually a birthday gift for my niece, and it's a couple months late because her mom didn't give me any of her glamour shot pictures that I wanted to add into this. This is a very simple one. This is one of the first ones that I made. Really had no idea what I was doing, but I enjoyed learning with it. I put a little belly band on it that I picked up at a thrift store, and it's elastic, so as her album expands, she can actually just inside. It twists fit. This is just an idea I wanted to share. This is actually a little headband for a baby girl, and so they make cute little belly bands if you really want to do that. It says on the wings of butterflies, she and I, and all of us versions of things like this. So I wanted to share that with her. This is all kinds of words that I feel like describe her and encourage her. She's amazing. She's sweet. It says memories, dreaming, the bands. LOL, we're always talking on Facebook and saying that. So I just added this up here. These are some tags. This I got from some set. These are made. I just totally love the pink olive ribbon that I found. I made little photo planners, added some flourishes of my own, and these are just little stickers. This right here says beautiful, and as soon as I get printed off some of her, I wanted to do her glamour shots in black and white and making it kind of vintage. So I'm going to put those with vintage there and also possibly there. I wanted to read this to you. I included this for her. I just thought it really fit. It says, I look back on this and smile because it was live and I decided to live it. And we can just choose to live our life. And she is just an amazing young lady and has overcome many obstacles and lives life to the fullest. Always. You would just love to get to know her. This pink page that I actually comes from Valentine comes to that I like. So in here, I was just ready to see. It says note this, and inside I included personal things that I just love about her. And it says my gratitude list for today includes the following. And I read beauty because I am always grateful that she's in my life. This one is just has tags, which you can add different things. I like the paper that is behind here. I don't know if you can see it up in here. And as you can see in there, it's really smart things there. I thought she had that. She can add a photo and really frame on the back. And this is another place for a photo. This one says, all smiles, and there's a really special picture that I'm trying to print off of her and my little great nephew, and he's kissing her, and it will just be beautiful there. So I'm going to finish these out today or tomorrow because we are giving them on Christmas Eve. Another place for contact. Like I said, my life is really simple at this point. This one just says life is sweet. And this is the very back. I didn't really have anything to make the back out of that I liked, so I found a folder at Dollar General, and I cut it up and made the back. And I made this into a frame. So I'm going to be adding pictures and things. I may even cover it more. I haven't decided yet. Along with her little mini, I also made her one of the, I think this is the first box that I made that is daughter had this time. Everybody felt sorry for me because she didn't have anything to decorate with, and my brother had given me. She does jewelry, and she had given me some of her little beads, and I glued that on. I placed this with a velcro. Now, the way that I did hers is I actually tied them all together so they would come out of the box. And those are kind of just little encouraging sayings that I noticed. If you can see the little shoe there, she's really into that. I couldn't find a lot of matching paper, so I found this at Dollar General. If you can see it says shopping list, and at the bottom it has the shoes and purse. And so I cut it up and put it on some of these cards just to make them more fun. As you can see, this right here that I used for this was one of those little bitty sticky pads that I thought worked. So I had to be real inventive to come up with things that I can use. I'm not sure where I got this paper, but anyway, this is an idea where that you can hook it all together, and then even if you use it as a brag album, a little brag album, excuse me, um, you can keep it in your purse, and you will never lose the picture side of it because it's attached in there. Well, this is one of my creations for my family, and thank you for sharing it with me, and I'll talk to you soon.